Yes, look, as you know, I've done this before. Come over in September, and I am certified as an NLP practitioner, NLP coach, and a timeline therapist. But even with that qualification, I thought it was very important to come back to get some excellent training from the Tolson Institute. Daniel has been coaching us since we joined the Institute. The coaching is continuous, and to come back into the live training of a classroom, into this beautiful hotel where we're looking over the whole of Birmingham, it's been a fantastic experience. What I came here for the last time, I got what I needed, but I'm still in the classroom and I am learning new things, I am hearing new things, and it can only enhance me as a practitioner, it can only better me as a person, and therefore my clients will have a much, much better service for myself. Well, coming back, I'm going to use the word cortex thickening. Cortex thickening. I already have these ideas in my head, but to actually hear them again, and it was one of the other coaches has given me this term, and we discussed it earlier, to actually relearn what you already know and really get that embedded into the mind has been the opportunity. It's only day one. There's 5 days of this. There's a lot of information to come yet, but on day one I have certainly, well, I'm going to put it this way, I've got my fee, I've got my value from my fee already on day one. So I'm happy about that. Look at the smile. There's a real smile.
And what would that
Oh, this is going to be phenomenal. It's really just reinforcing what skills we already had, but it's reinforcing the fact is that these are processes. These processes are here to help ourselves and other people. And by actually using these processes time and time again, we become much, much better at them. So expertise, experience, and just learning. It's a continuous learning curve. You know, when we stop learning, if we don't grow, we're basically dying. So it's continuing my growth. Well, as I said before, the value of the training, it's unquestionable. You know, for me to have done this in September and come back again to do it within 6 months or so, I'm still seeing the value, still having the value, meeting up with my coaches that I have trained with, and you know, even on the program that we have, the Facebook, the Zoom calls, you know, it's a continuous process, and just to meet and shake hands with the people that you've worked with over the last 6 months has been fantastic.